Do you need help? Or do you have legal questions? Then ask the expert.
I'm Anthony Carbone. I've been an attorney in Jersey City for 33 years. A lot of common misconceptions for injury lawyers. Probably best I could explain it by way of an analogy or a story. One of my paralegals here gets a little upset at me because every time I try to explain to her something that we're doing on a case, I make an analogy or I give her a story that associates with the issue. And I think that's good for people because I think it makes people understand something that's complicated, like the practice of law, to reduce it to something that's a little more simple so we can understand how that issue is being portrayed. Now, misconceptions, I can give you the best example from a story, and it's a true story. My brother is a nephrologist. That's a kidney doctor. So on Thanksgiving and Christmas and holidays when we see each other, my dining room table becomes this loud arcing back and forth between a physician and a lawyer, and the physician complaining about lawyers and a lawyer complaining about physicians. So the misconception is from the physician's point that lawyers are trying to sue doctors and the misconception from lawyers about doctors is, well, if doctors, don't try to cover up their mistakes, then there wouldn't be any, or create any mistakes, and there wouldn't be any lawsuits. So, we have these disputes at the dining room table often. So there's misconceptions. There's misconceptions on both parts. I'm sure that a lot of the errors that a doctor makes that there certainly wasn't intentional. And I think a lot of the misconceptions from doctors that lawyers try to take cases or develop cases or make cases out of nothing, there could be some truth to that. So there are probably some deep misconceptions about lawyers. And some of them probably are accurate, but most of the time, if you have a legal problem, and if you get arrested or if you are injured, the first person that you're going to call is me, because you're going to know that although lawyers maybe are the butt of some bad jokes, you're going to know one thing, that your lawyer is not the guy that's the butt of those jokes, because your lawyer is different and he's going to help you or she's going to help you. That's why I've been doing this for 33 years, and that's why all my clients call me, because they know that I'm there for them. Thank you for watching these videos. I hope I gave you some insight on personal injury law, what a lawyer can do for you, what we can do for you. What we want you to know is that we're open and we're here for you to help you with your legal problems. If you need a lawyer, call us. We're here.